How to fix non-tradable symbol in TradingView. The first things first is of course access and pull up your TradingView account. Now this error or this problem is actually basing on your specific broker, which means it is not tradable from TradingView. So all you have just to do is just change your broker and make sure that the broker that you're switching to is going to be eligible or allowed and tradable with TradingView. So for you to be able to change your broker, just go to your dashboard and make sure that you remove or logged out your current broker. And from there, you'll also have an option to choose on a specific broker upon logging out in your current broker. So just simply change your current broker to a tradable broker from TradingView. So that's it. That's the easy way possible that you can fix non-tradable symbol in TradingView.